I want to talk about something real quick. I don't know if you couldn't tell, but I think I found my passion. I love to trick. Tricking is like, I've been doing, let me say this, I didn't know it was tricking when I was younger. I thought it was just called flips. I've been doing this pretty much my whole life. I started learning how to flip, and then I transitioned to parkour, and then I transitioned to free running, and now here I am strictly doing tricking. Like, that's all I do pretty much. Like, yeah, I can go out and do parkour and free running, but my heart lies in tricking. And for the longest, I never really understood what it was. By definition, it's a form of mixed martial arts and gymnastics tumbling, to be fairly blunt. But to me, tricking is an art form, just like how parkour is considered an art form. You know, your area is your surroundings is your canvas, and you are the paintbrush. It's the same thing with tricking. The ground is your canvas, and when you're in the air twisting, kicking, or doing whatever, that's you creating the masterpiece. I wish there were more people doing it. Like, don't get me wrong, it's a very hard feat. It's something you mentally have to overcome, but it can be physically demanding. But there are ways to get into it. Tricking isn't something that you have to, right out the gate be the best at. Like, I've been, like I said, doing it my whole life, and I'm just now getting to the point where I can 540 and hyper hook. Yeah, granted, I can cart dub, but that's like my only dub I can do. And I don't feel discouraged. Like when I see the homie Meso or Shaquan or Zach, like all the guys who were like doing crazy shit, I don't get discouraged. And when I would do parkour, I would get discouraged. Point being is, give it a shot. You know what I'm saying? Like, what's the worst that could happen? You don't like it, you stop doing it. Tricking is amazing, and I love tricking. Spread the word. We need more trickers out there. I want to make tricking something, I know it's worldwide. I know for a fact it's worldwide, but I wanted to get recognized more for its specificality. And bro, I just love tricking. Tricking is so cool. Like, feeling accomplished when landing a trick that you've been planning on for months, if not years, it just feels amazing. I feel like tricking is one of the most rewarding sports out there. And it's very creative. Like when you see me flip, it's like, bruh, how the hell is he doing that? You feel me? Like, but everyone can do it. That's what I'm trying to say. Tricking is an everybody thing, and it keeps you healthy. Like, come on, gang. Let's get with it.